Ladies and gentlemen, the next train is now arriving. Please stand away from the platform edge.
This is a Manhattan-bound M local train.
The next stop is
Ladies and
Central
gentlemen,
Avenue.
the next train is now arriving. Please stand away from the platform edge.
Thank you for
Accessible
riding with
subway
MTA
stations.
New York
Please
City
check
Transit.
MTA info for real-time elevator status at your station.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Queens-bound M local train.
the next stop is
Myrtle Avenue, Wyckoff Avenue.